How to add AliExpress reviews to Squarespace. Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how you can add AliExpress reviews to Squarespace. How do you do this? The first thing to note is that you won't be doing this directly on your Squarespace account. Okay, the major way you can do it is by opening an elf site account. All right, so once you've opened your Squarespace account, open on that tab and then type www.elfsite.com. Once you type it out, you'll be asked to create an account, and then you'll be brought to the apps catalog page. Once you're on this page, by the right side of the screen, right side of the screen, you'll see a search box. Type AliExpress reviews. Yes, so just click on it once it brings it out, and then once it is out, by the left side of the screen, you see a list of options asking you, or a list of templates. Okay, you'll be asked to select a template that is the way you want your rating to look like. It could be a carousel, it could be a floating badge, it could be grid, it could be badge. Just select the one you want, and once you're done selecting, click on continue with this template. Then here you'll be asked to input an AliExpress URL, etc. Edit it the way you want by clicking on layout, review, appearance, etc. And then once you're done, by the right side of the screen, you'll see the publish icon. Click on it. Once you click on it, your AliExpress reviews will be published, and then here you'll be asked to select a plan. Select the plan that suits you. For me, I'll be selecting the free plan. Once that is done, your code will be created. So just click on copy code. Then you go back to your Squarespace account. Then once you're on your website page, by the left menu, you will see the website above selling. Click on it. Then you take it to pages, scroll down until you see website tools. Click on it. Then on the website tools menu, you will see code injection under custom CSS. Click on it. Then here you see header and footer. Select where you want your reviews to be, either in the header or in the footer. So for me, I'll select the footer. So just left click here and then paste the code. Once it's pasted, at the top part of the screen, you'll see the save icon. Click on it, and then it will be saved automatically to your website. So this is just basic way of how you can add AliExpress reviews to your Squarespace account. I'm sure this tutorial was helpful. Thanks for watching.